how to change your account on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your account on Play Store fast and easy. First go to Play Store, and now all you need to do is just click here and then click here and select any account you want, and there's another way. Just click here and drag down or up. As you see, the account has been changed, and uh, and that's how change your account on Play Store. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and watch this video if you want, and see you in the next video.